I think there were several lawmakers already who got pledged reward. We're having it studied right now. So besides recommendation on appropriate hour. Yeah, and right talk about the politics dito. So I have to also talk to the PSC.
Okay, so, and also sir, on another issue lang po, yung na-arresto kanina yung driver daw po ng TV5. Can you just, are you aware of that, sir? Or...
I was told a few minutes ago. Kahit hindi ko nag-counterflow yata. Kasi the law, ano pa may must remember, the law applies to all. Or to all, to mayor din.
So hindi po kayo, sir, yung nagkaka-arresto?
I was concentrating on studying for the cabinet meeting this afternoon to tackle, I think it's about 23 measures that will be designating as priority. So hindi ko trabaho siguro yung traffic.
Thank you, sir.
Joel?
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, is there a chance na yung Freedom of Information, RH, and...
We're tackling all of that this afternoon.
Sir,
Discussing it in the full cabinet.
Sir, may tax legislation ba, sir, na might be considered as priority? May proposal, sir?
I was
to
studying
taxes?
before discussing yung FOI bill. Tapos meron yung pension system sa AFP. I was tasking the PNP also to come up with the pension system. Can you just explain that bakit priority?
Yes, sir.
Yung something like in a few years time, about 3 or 5 years time, the pay, yung what is due, yung mga pension beneficiaries, and yung actual na personal services budget for the AFP, para masusurpass na yung due the pensioners. By various laws, nagkaroon ng indexing. Indexing is basic pag tumaas yung sweldo ng active, pati yung pensions may kasunod na pagtaas, automatic. Now, yung paggagawa ka ng pension system, syempre meron kang initial na capital, you have actuarial studies that tell you ano yung payables mo at given points of, parang the future. Pero pag moving target yung payables mo, ang hirap ang plano ng pension system. So you have to have a pension system that is viable. Hence, that is one of the priority measures we're discussing this afternoon.
Sir, yung pati po yung indexing, yung syntaxes to inflation.
Indexing, syntaxes, I haven't gotten it, it's 23, it's about mga 5 inches worth of bills.
Pero sir, that will
And
be...
nasa 2/3 pala ako nung aking review.
Pero sir, that will be considered po.
Can I get to that point when I get to it?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Norman?
Baka pwede last two. I have a 1:30 and I have to study that. Normal, yes.
Sir, yung some experts and even lawmakers are saying na kailangan po ng constitutional amendments for the proposal of a sub-state ng MILF. Sir, is the administration ready to undertake such a siguro for the sake of peace?
Masyado naman yata advanced. No? Wala pa yung actual details of the agreement. Then yung pagkakasundo ng negotiating panels will be brought before all of the stakeholders. Then that will tell us what is necessary.
Sir, may ongoing na internal fighting within the MILF, regular forces and the group of Umbrakato, sir. Hindi pa concerned ang administration that if we may have peace agreement with the MILF, then we have to deal with another Moro insurgency group.
Yung the MILF themselves have already stated sa Bangsamoro, pag hindi all-inclusive yung agreement, to include even those who are non-Muslims, then there will always be breakaway factions. So what they're trying to do is to speak on behalf of the entire Bangsamoro people. That's why at the end of the negotiating process, we will present it before all of the stakeholders, before presenting it to the country at large. Para all the immediate stakeholders will be consulted. So without their support, then we cannot achieve that peace that we want. Ngayon sa breakaway nga, that is also one of the goals, na hindi magkaroon ng breakaway. And they are committed that once the agreement is done, they will also join us in ensuring that there's no need for anybody to break away. It will be that comprehensive of peace agreement. I may also add, tumututuloy siguro na earlier, that they have stated publicly, Umbrakato is their internal problem, they will handle it. I think they're handling it right now.
Sir, last, yung MILF, sir, said, si Mike Mastura said na kung hindi mapagbibigyan yung proposal nila for a sub-state, they might as well go back to their demand for an independent state, sir. Would you care to comment on that?
I think sa discussions namin sa Tokyo with Chairman Murad, he did state na laki na binaba from dating independent state to a sub-state. Tapos yung the details are being worked out. We didn't trash out the details there. And hopefully, if I can get everybody's attention to the statement that Chairman Murad himself said, yung negotiating panels have to be focused that they are problem solvers rather than antagonists. And I'm really very hopeful that that is indicative that there is an intense desire to achieve a just and comprehensive peace agreement.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. President.